Welcome to DIY by Z. A few weeks ago I replaced the power window regulator for this one, and a couple days ago this is what happened here. This one has stopped working. So I have a feeling that cable came off because I forgot to lock it when I reinstalled this panel here. So I have to reopen this panel here and reconnect the cable. So there's this little plastic clip over here that I need to remove. There's also that screw that needs to be removed. Torx. I use the TT30, number 30 Torx big screw. And then looking inside here, put the light on right there, and it shows that the cable came off, and when I moved the latch it got separated. So this is an easy fix. All I have to do is get that cable right there. So this one is locked in, and right there it's nice and locked in already. So I'm gonna have to put it back. So make sure this one is nicely lined up before you attach the clip on the trim itself. So it's nice and lined up, and then you'll see the hole right there is nice and lined up. And now it's time to attach those orange clips. All I have to do is give a good bump to get the clips back on its place on the hole. Of course I put this clip. I have this square clip, but I'm just gonna use this one on the between the metal frame and the panel. Make sure nothing is sticking out from the bottom. It's nice and flush, and that's the indication that this panel is installed correct. And then of course I need to put this one back, the access panel, to disconnect the control system for this window, power window. Alright, I'm gonna test it out. Alright, thanks for watching DIY by Z.